In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove pin from Windows 11 or the Windows Hello pin in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our settings. How we can do so? At the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way or manner, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, directly proceed to the left pane of it and find for accounts. Click on it. And under the account section, wait until you'd be able to reveal or see the list of account settings here. And once it's here, please scroll down and find for the second option, which is sign in options. Click on it. Once you click on it, you would be able to see the different ways to sign in. Find for PIN or Windows Hello. Click on it. And there you can see this two options, which is change your PIN and remove the sign in option. So click on removed here. And here it will ask you to confirm. Are you sure you want to remove your PIN? Having a PIN makes it easier to sign into Windows, make payments, and connect to apps and services. And if you're using face or fingerprint recognition, they will stop working if you remove your PIN. So if you have a final decision and that is to remove that, click on remove. The moment you click on it, if it'll ask you to enter the PIN or the current PIN that you have, enter it, and then that way, just restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to remove that one. In my case, I don't want to remove that, that's why I'm not clicking on it. But in your case, if you would like to, then remove that. Okay? Hopefully, this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.